Oh, hi. Let me pull up my stool. Let's have a conversation. Do you guys know you can create videos here on this platform, TikTok, or maybe a different platform, and make money online just by recommending other people's products? Did you know that? You see, I have been in the online space for a little over 2 years now, and it's absolutely changed my life because I used to be that girl that used to chase my paycheck. I would live paycheck to paycheck. And if I didn't have the money, and if I wanted something or I wanted to go on vacation, I was constantly putting it on a credit card. Therefore, I was chasing that credit card over and over. My hair looks a little bit crazy. I've been in a hat all day at work. However, I just want to let you guys know I'm just an ordinary person, okay? I decided to say yes, and I was scared. I was afraid of failure. I was afraid of what my friends and family were going to say. I was afraid that it was a scam. But I can tell you right now, I felt something inside. And I said, you know what? What do I have to lose? I can't stay where I am. I can't stay stuck. So I opted into that opportunity and I have never looked back. It's been such an amazing journey. And I'm just a vehicle that has pulled up in front of you. And I'm honestly sharing it with you guys. Again, I don't want this to sound easy, but it's really simple. What you're going to do, you're going to find a product and you're going to recommend that product. And I have 2 great products over my stand store. I literally thought I was going to choke on this gummy because it was so juicy. I was not prepared. But I have 2 products in my stand store. One is education. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing. And that's where I learned everything that I know. Now, if you are just wanting a product that you can purchase and resell over and over and over because you want to work 2 hours a day, you want to post your 3 videos, and then live your life, I have that product for you too. And that is the 6-figure blueprint. Okay? Guys, your life could change over the next 6 months or a year if you just take action. The other thing that I want to let you know, I'm going to be here to hold your hand the entire way. So there's no better time than to start than now because it is truly amazing how my life has transformed. So if you haven't saved this video yet, make sure you save this video and follow me, and make sure you're following me over on Instagram.